नमस्कारम। आज हम सत्या अक्का से मिलते हैं। वो इनर इंजीनियरिंग रिट्रीट प्रोग्राम करके आश्रम से आई है, तो वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेगी और सतगुरु के बारे में बता देगी। तो ये आप कैसे सतगुरु को फॉलो कर रही है, कब से फॉलो कर रही है सतगुरु को आप?
मैं ऑलमोस्ट 15 ईयर्स से फॉलो कर रही हूँ।
ओके
तो मुझे एक्चुअली में इनर इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स करना था, तो इसलिए अटेंड करने में आई हूँ।
ओके, तो आपने इतने टाइम क्यों ले लिया इनर इंजीनियरिंग प्रोग्राम सतगुरु का करने के लिए?
ये मेरा जो रोज का शेड्यूल
वर्किंग, यू आर वर्किंग।
टीचर प्रोफेसर,
ओके,
तो इसकी वजह से मुझे नहीं हो रहा।
तो आपने
मुझे निकालना ही पड़ा टाइम।
ओके ओके, और करने के बाद आपको कैसे फील हो रहा है?
दैट वो एक्सपीरियंस है जो आप खुद फील करोगे। इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्रेस
In the words.
In the words.
Everyone says like this.
Ah.
It's very
There
difficult
is
to express in the words.
many stages you will come to know.
Yes. And the arrangement and ashram.
Yeah, the volunteers and the teachers are really great.
Okay.
Without any selfishness के बिना वो लोग volunteering कर रहे हैं.
And do you find any where they have not provided the things which you are expecting?
No, there is nothing like that.
Okay.
They are very kind people,
Okay.
and all of them are like youngsters.
Okay.
So there is no other issue.
Maybe Sadhanapada volunteers were there for volunteering for your program.
No, I do have no idea about the volunteers.
Okay.
Whoever were there over there, they
Okay.
were very kind and helpful.
Okay. And what message you have took from this program and you want to spread that?
मैसेज इज दैट अपनी लाइफ में एक बार आपको आना चाहिए, एक्सपीरियंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Okay.
हम जो रोज़ के रूटीन लाइफ से जो हम नहीं वो ट्रेजर हमको नहीं मिल पाता है,
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे आके वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस दैट।
Okay. And you want to share your experience with your family members and you want to motivate them to do this
Actually,
program.
60% of my family are already following him.
Okay.
And already attended this program.
Okay. Have you attended Mahashivratri program of
No,
Sadhguru?
next time fully I will do
You can online also you can attend it.
But no, I want to be
Physically. Yeah,
yeah.
physically ambience will be so good.
Yeah.
You will not, and you should not miss it that.
That's true.
Yeah.
Next time for sure we'll do.
And you are planning to do Bhavspandana after inner
Yeah,
engineering?
thinking of that.
Yeah, Bhavspandana is a very intense program. One must go through this program. Normally, Sadhguru not tell everyone to make it fast, but whenever you get time, you go for the BSP.
Right.
Yeah, that is thing. And after that, what you can say about the ashram, how it is maintained, how do you find
It's
it?
totally something like you forgets everything,
Yes.
whatever past and future and everything. You just try to live the present
Moment. Yes. And have you gone through the Dhanlinga temple,
Yeah.
Bhairavi Devi temple?
I went-
Do you feel
I visited twice
that
or thrice.
it is easily you can meditate there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
You can feel that vibe. You can experience that vibe.
Okay. And what about the Linga Bhairavi?
That is totally
Have you?
different feeling.
Yeah. Have you gone through that Chandrakund?
Yes.
Okay. And do you feel that the Sadhguru has made very thoughtful things? Everything is a very proper way. There is no.
The vision which
He has a long vision.
He has a long vision, and no one even can think of that.
Yes.
He's really that kind of person you cannot easily find anywhere.
Yeah. And do you saw that everyone is laughing? Everyone is laughing, happy faces,
Yeah, everywhere.
energetic.
Yeah. Somewhere you can feel that energy.
Security people
around
also
you.
are there. Everyone will say
Oh,
namaskaram,
yeah.
namaskaram.
That is totally different.
Different, and everyone will give you proper guidance.
Yes.
They will tell you about the good things.
Yeah.
That is, and you will feel Sadhguru's vibes and energy in the
No
ashram.
doubt about that. And the environment is full of nature.
Yeah, nature.
Even this
The place is itself
beautiful
is
thing was that the peacocks and all that. They
Yeah.
were just coming near us.
okay.
That was very beautiful experience.
We never means experience that kind of atmosphere.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
nature in the
Absolutely.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
We are living in a busiest city,
Yes.
and ashram is feel like
you want,
we are staying in the heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Totally.
Yeah, And food, can you explain about the food?
Food is like people think that the food is not that good, or veg food and all. But I don't think that what we were
Food is very sattvic.
yeah, exactly.
And easily someone is providing food because in our ladies case always we have to
Especially
prepare
this
and
kashayam and all. Here the tea and coffee is not the problem. Some must be facing that problem.
yeah.
The tea and coffee.
But outside coffee shops and tea
Coffee
shops are
shops are
there.
there, but it's not necessary to have tea. That's what even I consume 2 cup of tea daily. But after coming here, it's almost 7 days.
You are not feeling, you are not urged to drink coffee.
No, there is nothing feeling like that.
Sadhguru's program is itself that it gives you positive energy, that you try to avoid the negative food, Nivedic pranic food, chai, coffee. You will avoid that because
It's totally toxic.
and they give the why we should not. They will prove that why we should not take the tea, coffee, or
If you
brinjal.
want to find yourself, I think this is the perfect place to come.
So you have to decide what to.
That's what. If you have to take a few days to feel that experience. Otherwise, the same thing will happen again and again. If you want some change in yourself or in your life, then you should definitely visit this place.
So you next time you want to again meet.
Yeah, sure.
Come to
I will be
ashram.
coming. Yeah, I am thinking of volunteering also.
Yes.
As I am, even my son is.
And
Actually,
he is initiated for inner engineering.
he already done with me along with me.
Very nice. Hi. What's your name?
Yes.
And you are done inner engineering?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good. You are daily practicing?
Yeah.
We did this morning.
Wow. And you are completed
Yeah.
education?
No, it's studying. Yeah.
So it helps you for studies in the engineering? What made changes in you after doing the
Yeah.
engineering?
Taking some
Concentration and all, no?
Okay.
That's what.
Okay.
He started doing himself everything now. He has
Yeah. Just tell me.
so that's whatever he tried.
No, but you tell me. What?
some new. Yesterday only I experienced new thing that he started doing his work by own himself.
Okay.
That's one new feeling, new thing I saw.
As a
in
mother,
him.
you are telling what changes you go.
Yeah, that's
you
what.
have saw in him. Oh, good. And what is actual your experience? Just
It was amazing.
okay.
I can explain it.
You are sharing with your friends about the inner
Yeah, I
engineering.
did,
Please, you share with your friends because you
He
find
already did. He already
you
did.
are
And we are talking about the things we can do, and they will try to come next time with me.
Okay.
I'm going to volunteer.
Okay.
I'm going to volunteer.
Little louder.
I will volunteer.
He's interested in volunteering. That's what
Okay,
he's saying.
good. सो थैंक यू अक्का, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपने इतनी अच्छी बातें शेयर की और सद्गुरु के बारे में हम जितना बोले उतना कम है. उन्होंने सोसाइटी के लिए इतना दिया है, उसमें से हम थोड़ा सा जो मैसेज हो उनका है वो हम सबके साथ शेयर करें, वो उनके लिए अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड हो जाएगा. यस, थैंक यू. नमस्कार अक्का. थैंक यू. नमस्कार.